Welcome inside a massive sausage factory, where South Asian sausages are produced on an industrial scale using modern technology.
This is where the journey begins here. Refrigerated trucks deliver fresh raw materials to keep production running non-stop.
Before processing begins, every ingredient passes through strict quality checks to ensure safety, freshness, and consistency.
To preserve freshness, meat is stored at precise temperatures before entering the production line.
Here, powerful machines cut meat into exact portions, preparing it for grinding and seasoning.
The meat is ground carefully to achieve the perfect texture required for South Asian sausages.
This step defines flavor. Traditional South Asian spices are mixed precisely for authentic taste.
Now the seasoned meat is filled into casings, forming the signature sausage shape. Machines shape and link each sausage to ensure uniform size and professional quality.
In this final stage, sausages are cooked and smoked to perfection before packaging.
Advanced inspection systems ensure only perfectly shaped sausages move forward for packaging.
Every sausage is weighed to guarantee uniform portions and consistent customer experience. Vacuum sealing protects freshness, extending shelf life and preserving taste. Each pack is labeled with brand identity, nutritional details, and quality certifications. Batch codes allow full tracking from factory to retail shelves. Robots pack products efficiently, preparing them for large-scale distribution. Palletizing systems secure products for safe transportation worldwide.
Every batch meets strict food safety and regulatory standards before entering the market.
Packaging isn't just protection, Arjun. It's designed to attract customers instantly. Before shipping, products are tested to survive long journeys without quality loss.
Every step of production is digitally recorded for full transparency.
This is how South Asian from raw ingredients to global markets. Smart automation allows machines to think.
Hygiene is strictly enforced to protect food quality at every production stage. This factory recycles water to reduce waste and protect the environment.
Smart energy systems reduce power use while keeping production uninterrupted. Advanced training ensures workers operate complex systems with confidence. Robotic maintenance keeps machines running at peak efficiency.
Even waste is carefully managed to maximize efficiency and sustainability.
Artificial intelligence continuously optimizes production for maximum output. When systems work together, production becomes a perfectly balanced process.
Behind every great sausage is deep research, testing flavor down to the smallest detail.
Authentic taste begins with carefully sourced spices from trusted origins.
Before mass production, flavors are perfected through controlled test batches.
Strong branding ensures the product stands out in competitive global markets.
Understanding how customers choose helps design packaging that sells instantly.
Cultural and halal standards are respected at every stage of production. Worldwide coordination ensures timely delivery across international markets.
Consistent branding builds trust and long-term market dominance.
Innovation never stops. Ming, the future of food is being built today.
The future of sausage production is fully automated, intelligent, and demand-driven. One product.
Artificial intelligence predicts demand before customers even place an order.
Smart systems respond instantly, keeping food supply stable under any condition.
Large-scale food production plays a vital role in feeding the world.
One factory connects countless lives through food.
Every global brand begins with a single idea and relentless dedication.
Leadership decisions shape the future of food production.
Production continues around the clock to meet global demand. Behind every machine, human dedication keeps quality alive.
From raw ingredients to global tables prep press, this is modern sausage manufacturing.
Safety systems respond instantly, protecting consumers without delay.
Flavor is balanced carefully with nutrition and modern dietary standards.
One product becomes part of millions of daily lives.
Every day, production begins again with precision and purpose. The future of food is smarter, cleaner, and more adaptable. Food connects generations through shared moments. When technology and people work together, perfection follows.
What began as an idea becomes a lasting legacy.
From factory floors to family tables, this is how South Asian sausage is made.